Hi viewers, welcome back. Today again come up with another video, and today's video about the accelerator sensor. So this one in front of you, accelerator sensor of cat dump truck. Part number is written here, cat 266-1466. So this accelerator sensor, so first I let you know what is the accelerator sensor, then I let you know how it work, and at the end how we test this sensor. So the accelerator sensor in heavy equipment or the construction machinery measures the position of the accelerator pedal. It typically uses a potentiometer or Hall effect to convert the pedal position into an electrical signal. So how it works? When the operator press the pedal, this sensor sends a corresponding voltage signal to the engine control unit, mean ECM. When this is a pedal, like this is pressing the pedal. So this time pedal is not available. So when I turn it clockwise, it means I pressing this pedal. So I'm pressing the pedal, then corresponding here voltages are appeared from here to this wire. So these signals goes to the ECM. So what ECM does? ECM adjusts the fuel injections and other parameter of the engine to give the required output. In how much voltages we needed, your operator how much voltage need, he press the pedals, and in response through this sensor, ECM understand the operator needs the power. So he adjusts the fuel injections and other parameters of the engine and give the required output from the engines. So in this system, this system helps to improve efficiency and control in heavy machines operations. So in this way, this one is work. So how we can test? So for testing, as you know, all the heavy equipment sensors like digital and analog sensors have the input voltages. So digital sensor in heavy equipment have the 5 volt input, and analog voltages need 8 voltages. So this sensor is because analog, so it get the 8 voltages, but I don't have the 8 volt battery with me. So what I have do, I use this potentiometer. By using this potentiometer, I give the 8 voltages at this wire. Battery here, I show you. Here are my battery voltages on this wire. These wires I have battery voltages. So here you can say 13.12 volt. But I will give the 8 voltages. I give 8 voltages on this red wire. This is 12 volt. Come to this potentiometer, and this potentiometer at the middle, I take the output, and these are gave me out 8 voltages, and 8 voltages I gave to the sensor at the red wire. Okay, and this my negative voltages. Here battery negative voltages coming here. This battery negative voltages, these are going to this potentiometer for voltage divider, as a voltage divider, and also these negative voltages goes to the negative side of the sensor, and this wire is my output wire of the sensor output wire, meaning. So I show you here coming 12 volt, but here are coming I made 8 voltages. So here are 8.8. I just adjust the voltages. I want to give 8 volt to this. This is 8 voltages. Okay, these 8 voltages through this potentiometer. Through this potentiometer, I give to the sensor. Okay, This my the sensor wire positive voltage, so I gave 8 positive voltage to this wire through this potentiometer. Battery gave me 12 volt, but by using the potentiometer I get output voltages to this wire. This is the positive voltages of the sensor. I give 8 voltage to here, and this one is my negative wire, and also negative voltage going to the sensor. This is I get my output voltage. So how we can test? If we are working on the machines, first we check the voltages at this wire. We get, if the 8 voltages are going to the sensor, it means my feed voltage is okay. Then we check the negative voltage. If negative voltages are okay, then it means my negative voltage. Then afterward we check the output voltage at the sensor by pushing the pedal okay. So here voltage will be vary. If I check it here, so you can see 8 volt. It means my input positive voltage are okay. Okay, so this is my negative voltage. I put also negative wire here. So it means it's showing the 8 volt. It means my negative voltages are okay. If I want to check sensor is responding or not, so what I have to, I will fix my multimeter to this output wire. Okay, so now my multimeter is putting here. I put here. This is my output wire. Okay, I put to output this sensor is coming from the sensor. So I put it here. Now I will use a screwdriver, and you check this here. This time is how much voltage? 0.2 volt. If I use clockwise this press, you can see the voltage are here. You check this multimeter, the voltage are increasing. So it means my sensor is as soon as I am increasing, this time is a full throttle. This time I fully press, so voltage is 7.6. It means this time the voltage has a full voltages is coming. So my machine is at a full accelerator. When I lose, I left, I depress pedal, you can see voltage are. So in this way we can check our throttle sense is good or not. Okay, so first we check the feed voltages. Feed voltages are okay. Here I give the 8 voltages. This is my negative wire, and this is my output wire. So in this way you can test the, if you're working on the machine, so you check their voltage, 8 voltages are here or not. Okay, then you check the negative voltages are have or not. Then at the end we check the voltage at the output of the sensor. So this is the output wire of the sensor. So I will press the pedal, voltage are increasing here. It means my this sensor is okay, my sensor is working. So in this way we test the sensor. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends.